we're back, kids, to the world of mystic drums, where you never know what kind of instrument you're going to find. Today with Jerry the Frog. I'm Lorne. Let's go exploring. Yeah, that's right, Jerry. You brought more family members. All are welcome. Let's introduce our friend Terry the Frog. Very nice. Terry in position. Oh, yes, I know. Oh, I forgot to give him his fly. And Gary the Frog. Big brothers here. Let's go. Yeah. Ooh. They love each other. Of course we have a spot for you. Don't forget, flying in, almost late to the party, it's Martin the Bear. Ooh, Martin the Bear. You are such a good flyer, Martin. Martin the Bear is here too. Hey, what's up? Yes, everyone show him what a scary bear looks like. Scary bear faces, go. Yes, you will sit in between, and we will continue on with our adventure in the world of bells. Bells have been around for hundreds, thousands of years. Bells were one of the first ways we communicated. We could send messages over large areas of land, letting people know things were happening by the way we hit the bell and what type of bell we were hitting. Let's take a look at an old school bell my mother gave me. Yep, she used to be a teacher, and they'd ring this bell out in the yard, and all the kids would know it's time to come in. Recess is over. Or maybe it's lunchtime, time to go out. Or school's starting. So these bells are very important ways to send out messages. I know you recognize these bells. Here's a bell my grandma used to ring to get my grandpa to come on in. It's the dinner bell. Also, we used to ring bells in the house. They'd be tied with a string and they would ring like this. You could pull them from your bed if you were sick and needed someone to come help you. Maybe bring you some food or something too. Here's a bell I found in a temple. Vietnam. It's an ancient temple bell. That's right, inside. This is a bell to help find your inner peace and meditate. Clear your mind. The ringing of the bell. This green is just a natural oxidization of the metal. Metal starts to change over time. It turns green a little bit. And here's a little fun bell. People collect bells as they travel around the country. It's a really high-pitched bell. Some bells are so high you can barely hear them. We got a lot more bells to see, so don't forget to come back, like, and subscribe below. Kapow, kazooie, kabam, bam, boom!